I like milk and cookies. Thought I'd start off differently and said, hi guys, it's me, yeah. My recent video, my arm after the jab, yeah, I had another one. It hurt. It hurt a lot. It hurt more than the other one. This was about 3 weeks ago. I get my next one in 6 months. So that's good. Well, 5 in 1 week. Yeah. There's a couple of things I want to say. Number one, don't go and see 2012. Don't waste your money on it. Apparently it's really bad. Seen a couple of film reviews and they've rated, like, the people that have like done this has rated it like 3 stars, and they were saying, oh, it's a 5-star film, it's going to be brilliant, and it was opened on Friday the 13th, which was stupid anyway. People are so dumb. And so yeah, don't waste your money on it. Go and see New Moon instead. That is an awesome film. I don't care if you're male or you're female, just go see it. It's the best film ever. Yeah. The second thing, if you guys have any requests of what you want me to do, then just post downwards, post a lot of messages, and also subscribe on the link either side. Yep, subscribe, and hopefully I should see you soon. And yeah, I mean, it's either that side or that side, I'm not sure. Subscribe.